Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a typical South Indian side dish using this Podalanga or Snakegourd. I think it is called chichinda in Hindi. So this vegetable goes well with rice. I have taken one long snakegourd and just chopped it into pieces. Whenever you buy, see that you buy tender snakegourds. Wash it very well, then you can just cut it like this. If there are any mature seeds, you can discard, or if the seeds are tender, we can use them also. Some people even make a chutney out of these seeds. Now some people prefer to remove the skin like this before cooking, but we don't do that. I use it along with the peel. I don't take out the peel separately because it has got a very high fiber content, which is really good for your health. Just cut it into thin slices like this. This vegetable is very good, especially in summers, because of its high water content, and also it has got a lot of fiber in it. So it's good for weight loss, good for diabetics too. Sometimes the final end portion will be a little hard. You can discard that. Heat a spoon of oil in a kadai. When the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds, urad dal, a little bit of jeera, I have taken about 3 or 4 green chillis and just chop them. Next, add in this chopped snakegourd to it. Also a few curry leaves. Now stir everything well. Add some turmeric powder. Add salt to taste. Snakegourd also, be careful with the salt because it doesn't take up too much of salt. And a small pinch of hing. Again mix everything very well together. Now sprinkle some water. Cover it and cook it on a low to medium flame till done. It is about 10 minutes now. Let's check the vegetable. See, the water has been absorbed. The snakegourd has cooked well and become soft too. Now we can switch it off. Finally, top it up with some fresh grated coconut. Our tasty and healthy snakegourd stir fry is ready. So our Podalanga Poriyal is now ready to be served. It's always a good idea to increase your quantity of vegetables, which give you a lot of fiber and many vitamins and minerals too. I have some steaming hot rice. Here I have some cooked plain tur dal which I have mashed and kept. I am just adding only some salt and a pinch of hing to this. Mix it well together and serve it along with the rice and some ghee on top. It's always a pleasure to recall how nutritious our traditional simple home style food is. Cooked rice with some dal and a little bit of ghee on top. This is a completely balanced food along with your vegetables which give you the vitamins and minerals. Your rice and dal, the combination gives you very good amino acids, good quality protein and with a little bit of ghee also. Simple, easy to make, healthy, full of nutrition. Definitely try out this recipe, share it with your family and friends, and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.